Hey guys, this is Nathan from Eyespecs, and today we're going to be talking about Cazal and what makes them one of the most special eyewear brands out there. Now, what exactly makes Cazal so special? Cazal was founded in 1975 by a man named Cari Zalloni, and he had one mission, and that was to make sunglasses with mismatching lenses. And that's exactly what we're doing here at Eyespecs. You see this Cazal frame, the iconic Cazal 607. Right now they have just regular solid gray lenses. What we did was we customized them to a blue gradient 50 to 0% tint. These custom lenses also have the Cazal logo engraved in the top left lens in gold with an Eyespecs Elite AR coating. So that gives everything a gold shimmer to the reflections on the lens. Now, an absolutely unique piece. This is the Cazal 664 with solid red lenses, as well with the Cazal logo engraved in the top left lens in gold, and this piece is just amazing. Both the red Cazal and the blue gradient Cazal is featured in our Extraordinary collection on eyespecs.com, as well as all the different Cazal models seen today.